My birdie, look what I have for you. Peanut. I know that you like peanuts. I'm gonna give you some peanuts. I have to break it in two. Okay. Okay. Yeah, get your peanut. I know you like peanuts, just like I do. He likes pistachios as well. Sometimes nuts, but he doesn't like walnuts. I tried that, and I saw that he doesn't like them at all. He likes seeds and peanuts a lot. And he likes bread. Sometimes cookies. Trying to find some peanuts. Yeah, we still have. Don't get angry, I know. Oh, he's getting angry. I don't know why. He's just trying to get that peanut out of its shell. Okay, easy boy, easy girl. He's a boy. Let's see if there's any left. Yeah, we have some left. Eat it up. Finish it all. Oh, easy. That's all? Say hello. Okay. You know, I love you.